Today I will explain how to define acid and base solutions, right? Dear student, have a look. It's a two test tube and both are colorless solutions, right? Which one the acidic solution and then the basic solutions, right? Now how to check? It is a phenolphthalein. Have a look. These are colorless solutions, right? So phenolphthalein is the indicators. One drop phenolphthalein put test tube 1. If it will be colorless, that means test tube 1 is the acidic. If I put one drop of the test tube 2, it is a pink color solution, that means it is a base. Have a look. It's a pink color solution, that means it test tube 1 is the base. And one drop is added. In test tube 1, it is a colorless solution. Please look, all of you. Right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.